In this evening's edition of the Health Report, Shamela Pullen looks at stomach ulcers.
The Health Report. A stomach ulcer, also called peptic ulcer disease, is one of the most common conditions affecting the gastrointestinal tract. It affects up to 15% of persons at least once in their lifetime. In the past, stomach ulcers used to mainly affect men, but now women are equally affected.
Classically, ulcers occur more frequently in the duodenum, which is the first part of the intestine that hooks up to the stomach. And then secondarily, in the stomach, and in third place, the esophagus. So those are the usual places that ulcers occur. Rarely will an ulcer occur in the small intestine or in the colon.
Due to the amount of acid present in the stomach and the damage that can occur, ulcers are often very painful. The pain may be worse between meals and at nights.
Citric acid, especially tomatoes, have been culprits of causing ulceration, mostly though in the esophagus rather than in the stomach or in the duodenum. But the things that should be avoided is smoking alcohol, aspirin, and medications for pain containing non-steroidal ingredients like ibuprofen, Advil, those kinds of over-the-counter medications.
Stomach ulcers are treated with medications, but if left untreated, it can worsen and cause complications.
You could bleed to death from it. It can also complicate by exploding, so-called perforation. That's a very dangerous complication. And sometimes the ulcer is between two organs, and they can communicate one organ with the next organ.
If over-the-counter medications do not work, you need to see your healthcare provider as soon as possible. With your Health Report, I'm Shamela Pullen wishing you good health.